What are mistakes done by students while learning from online course? When learning from online courses, students often make several common mistakes that can hinder their progress. Some of these mistakes include lack of consistency. Students sometimes treat online learning like a one-time event rather than a process. Inconsistent study schedules or failing to keep up with the course material can lead to poor retention and understanding. Passive learning. Simply watching videos or reading materials without engaging in active learning, example, taking notes, practicing, or applying concepts, can result in shallow comprehension and limited skill development. Skipping prerequisite material. Many students skip foundational content or modules, thinking they can jump ahead. This can cause confusion later, as advanced topics often build upon earlier material. Not setting clear goals. Without clear objectives or milestones, it's easy to lose motivation or direction during an online course. Students may end up feeling overwhelmed or aimless. Procrastination. Online courses offer flexibility, but this can also lead to procrastination. Delaying work or assignments until the last minute often results in rushed learning and poor performance. Overloading on multiple courses. Trying to juggle too many courses or commitments at once can lead to burnout. It's important to pace oneself and focus on mastering one topic before moving on to the next. Lack of interaction with instructors or peers. Online learning can be isolating. Students may not actively participate in discussions, ask questions, or seek help when they encounter difficulties, which can hinder understanding. Ignoring assessments. Skipping quizzes, assignments, or exams can lead to missed opportunities for reinforcing what has been learned and for measuring progress. Not practicing or applying knowledge. Theory is essential, but practice is key to mastering a subject. Many students neglect to apply their new knowledge through projects, exercises, or real-world scenarios. Overlooking time management. With no fixed schedule, students may struggle with time management. This can lead to neglecting important tasks or cramming information, which is less effective for long-term retention. Failing to review. Students often don't take the time to review materials, which can lead to forgetting important concepts. Regular review helps reinforce learning and deepen understanding. Technical issues. Not being familiar with the platform or technology can disrupt learning. Ensuring that devices and internet connections are stable and understanding how to navigate the course platform is crucial. By actively managing your learning process and adopting these habits, you'll maximize the effectiveness of your online education and avoid many of the common pitfalls. Maintain consistency. Set a regular study schedule and stick to it. Treat your online learning like an in-person class by allocating specific times each day or week to study. Break down learning into manageable chunks, example, learning for 30 to 60 minutes at a time, with short breaks in between. Engage in active learning. Take notes while watching videos or reading materials. Summarize key concepts in your own words to deepen your understanding. Apply what you've learned by doing exercises, quizzes, or projects. Engage with multimedia content like discussion boards, forums, or peer collaborations to stay interactive. Review prerequisite material. Before starting a new module, ensure you understand the foundational concepts. If you're struggling with a topic, spend time revisiting earlier lessons. Many courses have recommended prerequisites. Make sure to check these and review them before advancing. Set clear, achievable goals. Break the course into smaller, specific learning goals. Example, complete a module by the end of the week. Track your progress by marking off completed tasks and celebrating small milestones. Avoid procrastination. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break to help stay focused. Or set deadlines for assignments and quizzes that are earlier than the course deadlines to avoid last-minute stress. Or reward yourself for completing tasks on time to stay motivated. Avoid overloading on multiple courses. Or focus on one course at a time or limit the number of courses you take. Prioritize your workload to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Or allow yourself time to absorb the material before jumping to a new course or topic. Interact with instructors and peers. Or participate in online discussions, ask questions, and engage with fellow learners. Or reach out to instructors for clarification on difficult topics or for additional resources. Or create or join study groups or communities for collaborative learning. Complete assessments and assignments. Or don't skip quizzes or assignments, they are designed to reinforce learning. Or treat these assessments seriously, as they provide valuable feedback on your understanding. Or use the assignments as an opportunity to apply what you've learned in a real-world context. Practice and apply knowledge. Or if possible, work on projects or case studies that allow you to apply the concepts you've learned. Or create real-world applications or personal projects to test your knowledge outside of the course. Improve time management. Or plan your day ahead and allocate specific times for learning, breaks, and other responsibilities. Or use time management tools, example calendars, to-do lists, productivity apps, to stay organized and on track. Or prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance. Review regularly. Or regularly go back to your notes, rewatch key videos, and review concepts to reinforce your understanding. Or create summary notes or flashcards for quick revision and self-testing. Or set aside a few minutes each week for a brief review of past content. Be prepared for technical issues. Or familiarize yourself with the course platform and its features before starting. Or ensure that your internet connection and devices are working well. Keep backup plans ready, such as an alternate device or location. Or reach out to tech support if you encounter issues with the course platform or content.